Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 15 Ford Fusion here and let you take a listen to it and kind of show you all the accessories. So you can see this one has adaptive cruise control. There's your blinkers, horn, heated seats. Over here, I got to turn the radio on. Here's the radio. Here's the fan working. I'll show you the headlights here. Wipers. Power locks, unlocks. There's all the windows working. Some headlights. A nice smooth running engine. Your tail lights. So you got any questions, give us a call, 605-692-7010.